Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable thicker borders for the focus option in TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to disable it. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next, in the vision tab, we need to tap the TalkBack option, and here in the top right corner we have this cog menu. We need to open it. Then we need to scroll down, and here we have our customize focus option. And here it is. We have thick borders switch. Also, we can change its color if we want to, or we can leave it at the default. Thicken borders turn off, turn on, and that's pretty much it. Goodbye.